Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes coming back again. Okay. You know what? I want to let y'all know something. Saturday, I did a video. Okay. We were singing Happy Birthday to my auntie. Trying to get Malia to back me up. You know. Just like I would get Cassidy, Rod Pod. Well, her real name is Rylan. Okay. I also got Cardi to back me up, you know. Oh Lord have mercy. Alright. So the way I think about it, folks, I am very, very glad that I have a YouTube channel, okay? I got a YouTube. I can play my video games and stuff like that. I'm relaxed. I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? Thank God for a roof over my head, clothes on my back, food on the table, shoes on my feet. You know? So, alright. So, the thing is, folks, I'm very thankful for what I got, you know? I mean, God is good all the time, you know? I thank God for what I got. I also thank God for this phone here, okay, and for PS2, and for my girl Nala, okay. God bought. Sorry for the video, folks. Okay. Oh man, y'all probably can't see that good because of that TV screen, you know. So as I was saying, folks, that this TV was in my mama room, and my mama don't know how the TV got like that, you know. So my mama had no idea how this TV got like that, you know. So my mama don't know how the TV got like that, and I don't know how the TV got like that, you know. The TV didn't fall probably. I don't know. Okay, so my mama bought a new TV that she had in the room. Well, the television's still in there right now. You know, it's still in there. Okay. Well, as I was saying, folks, the television's still in there. Everything is good. Okay. All right. So I wanna say something though that's real positive and everything else, you know. So the thing is, folks, that I am very, very thankful that I'm you know, very thankful that I have a YouTube and everything. I can express myself, broadcast myself and stuff like that, record me and stuff like that. So you know something? I'm so glad I was living in New Iberia. I miss New Iberia, but I would love to go back, but I can't because I don't have family out there. I only got friends and stuff like that, you know. I don't got family, you know. So half of my family will not love it out there, you know, because the family that was out there was glad to be back here in New Orleans, okay. I ain't want to come back to New Orleans, but I'm back in New Orleans for the time being, okay? So hopefully I'll move back to Jefferson Parish, okay? Either Kenner or Metairie. I don't know about Gretna, you know. I'll probably go back to move to Gretna, because I don't know about Gretna or Harvey. I don't know about that, folks. Gretna or Harvey, okay? Or should I move to Algiers, you know, Algiers Point, you know? So wherever, I mean, at first, I didn't like it across the river, at first. I really didn't, to be honest with you. But I'm here, okay? I'm here in New Orleans, barely like it here, you know? So I miss Metairie though. I love Metairie. Once I go back to Metairie, I ain't never leaving. Okay, I'll be out there relaxing, enjoying the breeze. If I have a backyard, I'll buy myself a hammock. Okay, I don't know where they sell hammocks at, you know, but I will get me a hammock, you know, because I would love to have hammocks and stuff like that, you know, anything like that, you know. So if I could get a hammock, yes, I will relax in the backyard. Okay, all right. So get a mosquito repellent and stuff like that to keep bugs off, because I hate bugs. I hate flies too. I don't like dragonflies, aka mosquito hawks. I don't like mosquitoes, gnats, you name it. Okay, a lot of gnats swarm outside night and day. Bugs swarm night and day, you know. Nobody likes bugs, you know. Nobody can't stand bugs or roaches, you know. I don't like roaches myself. I hate them things, you know. Because I know some YouTubers out there post videos of cockroaches and stuff like that. Especially that video that I saw with this large roach in a jar, spreading his wings trying to fly out or something like that, you know. And then another YouTuber filming a roach crawling on the wall and stuff like that and flying around and stuff like that, you know. I would have bought some roach. I would have had some roach spray and sprayed that mother effer, you know. Well, it's my video. I could curse if I want, but I don't feel like it, you know. Okay. So, as I was saying, folks, I hate bugs, period, you know. I don't like flies. I don't like ants. I can't stand ants, you know. Yeah. So all I'm saying, folks, when I go back to Metairie, I'm never leaving Metairie as a resident, because I love that place. I ain't barely had no problems, you know. What I'm gonna do out there is go out there and chill and stuff like that, you know. So that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Okay. All right. So everything will be good once I go out there to Metairie. Okay, you dig it? God bless. God bless each and every one of y'all that's watching this video. And Tanya, if you're watching, I don't hate you. Okay, I'm happy that you got married. Okay, stop thinking that I hate you so much. Okay, you don't talk to Dominoes 7 no more, cause you're afraid that I'm gonna dish your husband and talk bad about him. Don't you? Did you heard the pastor? Forever hold your peace. If nobody didn't speak at your wedding, before you said I do, forever hold your peace. Okay, remember that. That go for anybody. Forever hold your peace. Well, not unless, I'm not going to get to that divorce thing. I don't want to talk about that, because I don't want that to happen. Okay? I hope it don't happen, because, hey, if Tanya and Sherman break up and get a divorce, I'm never getting married, you know. That'll tarnish me, you know. That'll definitely tarnish me, you know. Alright, so that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Thank y'all for watching. Alright? Bye-bye.